There are lots of very interesting ways to work with rhythms inside Opusmodus. In this video I want to show you just one of them, Polygon rhythms. With this function we can create a sequence of alternating rest and beats based on a symmetrical shape. In this first example here we have 3 values, 16 points, and we start or count at 0. If we keep evaluating this, we see that because we have no seed value, the shape keeps changing. Nonetheless, it will always have those 3 points and it will always start at 0. We can also see the output as a score, which shows you that the first argument of our function here represents the number of beats, while the number of points represents the total length of the sequence. I've used this function to create multiple rhythms for hi-hat, snare, and kick. The hi-hats in this example have no seed value, so they will sound a little bit different each time. And then combined with a simple bass line right here, we get this.